Ever wondered if you could actually talk to the universe? It's true, your thoughts are powerful, and today I'll show you how to turn them into your greatest ally. Think of the universe as a giant mirror reflecting back whatever energy you send out. Focus on the negative, and that's what you'll see. But tune into positivity and watch your world transform. Here's how to start. First, focus on what you want. Not the worries, but the dreams. Second, use positive affirmations to align your energy. Say it like you mean it. I am worthy of success. Finally, trust the process. The universe is always listening. Remember, this isn't about yelling your desires into the void. It's about matching your vibe with your intentions. Positive thoughts, good vibes, it's that simple. Ready to start your conversation with the universe? Try these steps today and see the difference. And if you're serious about transforming your life, check out the link in the description for more powerful tools.